It's a common practice in video editing to select all the clips to the right of a certain clip or to the left of a certain clip and then move them left and right to, for example, create some gaps to add more clips on your timeline. Now, to select clips, it's very common to click and drag and create a lasso, and here you are, you selected the clips, you click on one of them and you move them left and right. This technique is okay, but let's imagine you have zoomed in a bit and you want to select all the clips to the right of this clip. How would you do that? Well, I'm going to show you having a zoom to fit so you can see everything that has been selected. If you come to your timeline over here, you have select clips backward and select clips forward. And they are all based on the Y key. Select clips forward on this track, meaning the targeted track, you press Y. And also backward, you will add the control. Of course, if you are on a Mac, it's going to be Command and Alt. Okay? Let's try this. I place the playhead over here and make sure that V1 is the target track and I press Y. Here you are. All the clips to the right of the playhead, including the one on the playhead, have been selected. Now you can click and drag, and make some space and move them around the way you would like. Alt Y, you selected forward all the clips, including the one on the V1 and V2. Here you are, Alt Y. Now this is very useful because sometimes you want to move these to the right like this and then make some space and start, adding some clips and so on without touching this area. And then later on you will close the gaps. Cool, guys. Thanks for listening. This was very easy, but it needed to be said. And I hope you come over and try it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.